all the way from Florida. And as many of you heard me talk about my health and my issues a few years ago, which is why I founded the organization, I was very sick and labeled with numerous diseases that could go on and on and on and on. Was actually allergic to my skincare products that Ava talked about, the cleaning products we talked about in the other room, my vitamins. Dr. Bingham found out I was allergic to myself. In the land of autoimmune, your body has done some pretty abnormal things. So it's been quite a wild ride. My husband, my family has been there to support me. But really what turned me on to health and choosing health versus this model of sickness and pills and medication and disease was this book. My husband and I were out in Borders, that's sort of our hangout place, and I saw this book called Never Be Sick Again, and I thought, hey, that sounds really good. So I picked up the book, and it hit me. Raymond starts his book off pretty much where I was and talks about how he almost died from very similar issues, and he had a recipe to choose health, and I would like him to share that with you, which is why he was honored this evening. Part of the work of Brain Schools is recognizing outstanding work, but we really hope to share great resources and great people with you so that the work can continue and to continue to help others out there. I would now like to honor Mr. Raymond Francis.